my favorite holiday is coming up again. So today I want to show you how I am dressing my Thanksgiving table with a few little items that I made and how I got the whole table set and done for less than $40 this year. Today's show is sponsored by Tylza, becoming your trusted brand for compact appliances. With the holidays coming up, this year I decided it's time for me to start entertaining my family and guests again, and I wanted to be prepared. So I got a brand new Tylza 24-inch French door under the counter wine and beverage fridge. This sleek unit is energy efficient, so you'll save money. It comes with clear instructions, but it's fully assembled, so you only have to attach the hardware and plug it in. The wine cooler door is smooth and lightweight and easy to open and close. And this is the part I really love. It's made with two separate compartments. One with tempered glass to display your wine collection, and the other with a stainless steel door that opens to reveal all your favorite beverages. It looks really great as a freestanding unit, but since it's a standard size, of course it can slide right in under your countertop as a built-in. The Tylza beverage fridge has beautiful beechwood adjustable shelves to hold up to 18 bottles of wine on one side and elegant tempered glass shelves to hold up to 57 cans on the other side. Plus, the shelves can be taken out or adjusted to hold all your favorite size drinks. And I love that these shelves slide out so easily to see everything that you have stored. With the digital touch panel, you can adjust temperatures between 41 and 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit on the wine cooler side and 35.6 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit on the beverage refrigerator side. The temperature control with automatic defrost feature keeps all your drinks at the right temperature and the temperature in the whole box consistent. If you forget to close the fridge, you get an alert when the temperature of the wine or beer rises or falls below the set temperature. It can even turn off automatically when it's not in use. The wine cooler is also made with energy efficient lights that use 28% less energy than other wine coolers. It has an intelligent temperature control circulation fan and a compressor that prevents vibration and makes the wine cooler nice and quiet. So now we can store all our wine, beer, and beverages that we love where we love to be. And no longer do I need to send my guests out to the cooler to get drinks. All the refreshments are right here where all the fun and entertainment is. So click on the link below and get your very cool Tylza French door wine and beverage fridge. And you'll always be ready for entertaining. Or you can sit back, relax, and have a nice chilled glass of wine right at hand. Perfect temperature. So every year for the holidays, I like to see if I could save the most money on setting a beautiful table. Well, this year I found this beautiful material for just $4. And it was like 5 yards of untouched material. And I thought I could use this as a tablecloth for at least 2 large tables. So I cut the roll in half and I washed it, and this will be the base for my dining table this year. Next, I'm adding a very large table runner that I made using Dollar Tree table runners. I made this by placing 4 table runners together so that they flowed across and over the table. Then I used dots of hot glue to attach the table runners together. And make sure you have something down to protect your table. You don't want to do this on your table with the hot glue touching it. Then I attached burlap ribbon on top of the runners down the center and on each side of the edges. Then I folded a loop on the ends of each of the ribbons and glued those down to the back of the runner. Then I inserted another long piece of ribbon into the loops and use that to tie each end together. In the center of the table runner, I am placing fresh eucalyptus. Well, these are not exactly fresh eucalyptus. They're freshly made. I made them myself. And if you'd like to see exactly how these were made, just click on the link above and you'll see how I made these using paper. So to make the spread that I have on the table, I made 3 different types of eucalyptus, and I'm just going to group the pieces together and tie those groups together. And then I'll arrange and position each piece so that they're evenly distributed and that they sort of spray out lengthwise. So I made 2 bunches of these with about 10 to 12 stems in each bunch. And I am spreading them across the center, but I want them to stop right at my place setting. So I'm leaving room for that. And it cost me only $6 to make all my eucalyptus garland. As a centerpiece, I'm using my golden string pumpkins that I made with my nephew a few weeks ago. I'm placing a few battery-operated tea candles inside the pumpkins so that it'll give it a nice little glow on the table. I put 1 large one in the center and 2 smaller ones on the side. And with just string and glue, it only costs about $3 to make all 3 of these. You can click on the link above to see how these pumpkins were made. Next, I'm adding a couple of gold candles. I got these candles from Goodwill a while back for $1 each. And to add some real freshness to the table, I picked up these little pumpkins from the grocery store. There was a bag for $4. I'm just using white so that the gold and the green will stand out and the table will look simple and elegant. For my place setting, I'm starting with this really strong gold charger plate that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have these beautiful satin napkins. I think the bluish green color will go great with my eucalyptus. So to fold these, I turned these so that the point is at the top, and I'm bringing the 2 side flaps in so it looks like an arrow at the top and the bottom. And I want the points to be even on each side and all the way across to be an even width. And I'm just going to turn the flap in and iron it. By the way, you can get these satin napkins online in different colors, a set of 30 for just $17. So that'll be 60 cents each. And I'll try to leave a link for that. So what I'm going to do with these napkins is I'm just going to kind of fold the point over the top of the charger. And I'm not going to sit the charger on the point so that it's stuck underneath, because I want my guests to be able to just pick it up easily. But I'm just going to lay it on top of the charger and let it drape over the edge of the table. And then I'll place my plate and bowl on top. And I got these dishes from Dollar Tree also, so they were just $1 each. And these bluish green napkins really help to accent the eucalyptus. I am using my crystal glasses that I have already, but you can get crystal cut glassware from Dollar Tree, and they will look just as pretty for $1 each. So I realized I had this pretty bluish green ribbon that I thought would look great right at the base of the candles and help tie in those napkins. And after putting down the silverware, I thought I was done with my table setting, but after looking at it, I really felt like I needed something extra on the table to match the golden pumpkins. So I decided to make golden napkin rings. To make these, I'm using the paper wire that I used for my eucalyptus stems that I had left over. And I'm just rolling it around this shot glass to get the shape. I started with a longer piece that I extended over the top in the center. And I'm just going to roll it around, very random, up and down, crisscrossing it to make something that looks like a little nest. When I get the thickness I want, I'm cutting it in the back, kind of long, and then I'm just going to thread the wire in through the back and the inside and just sort of weave it back up to the top. Go back around to the front and I'm going to tie those two pieces together, and then I'm just going to curl the ends of them so that it looks like the end of a vine. So I made 6 of these for my table, and I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them gold and let them dry completely overnight. And I'll just insert my napkin the way it's folded on top of my plate. I want the napkin ring to be right in the center of the plate. I want the top point of that napkin to be right above the charger plate, and the rest of the napkin just to hang below the plate. Now I'm happy. That really ties everything in together. And these napkin rings didn't cost anything because I just used the leftover spray paint from the pumpkin and the twine from the eucalyptus. And I think I have enough to make more for the rest of my tables. And what I love is when I add everything up, this beautiful table came out to be less than $40. I am really loving this blue and gold for fall. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. And don't forget to click on the link below to get your Tylza wine and beverage fridge. If you're having lots of guests like I am this year, it'll be a great addition. I will see you all in the next video. Want more detailed instructions on some of these projects? On my Etsy store, for just a few dollars, you can get instant digital downloads of full-color step-by-step instructions with templates for some of your favorite projects. And check out my Amazon page, where you can pick up my multi-surface acrylic metallic paint, back in stock with 8 beautiful shimmering colors. You can mix millions of colors and create endless home beauty for indoor and outdoor projects. And while you're there, pick up my Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1 with all your favorite projects together in one big beautiful colored step-by-step instruction book. You can now get separate e-project booklets, and also full-color printed project booklets will be available on Amazon. On my Amazon page, you'll see all my favorite crafting tools and supplies used on this show, and you can add them all to your cart for the one-click, fast and easy shopping and delivery convenience of Amazon. I'll be working every day to make crafting fun and easy for you. Follow me at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV on all social media for extra home, food, and gardening tips.